How to get started with the MarSoar Glide. First, open your settings on your supported smartphone. From there, navigate to your Bluetooth settings and turn it on. Then, navigate over to the MarSoar app, available for download on Apple's App Store or Google's Play Store. Once opened, open the grip on your MarSoar Glide handheld phone gimbal and insert your smartphone into the holder. Power on the gimbal once the phone is fit comfortably inside the holder. To calibrate the MarSoar Glide, short press the portrait landscape switch 3 consecutive times. Then long press the button a 4th time, holding it down for a total of 3 seconds. The gimbal will then enter into calibration mode. Place the gimbal onto a still, level surface in the position shown, then short press the portrait landscape switch one more time. The gimbal will now begin calibrating, indicated by a white LED. Be sure not to disturb the gimbal in any way during the calibration process, or it may not complete the process correctly. When the white LED turns off, the gimbal is now finished calibrating. Power off your gimbal, then power it back on again. In order to connect the gimbal to your phone, tap Connect Device inside the MarSoar home screen. Then select MarSoar Glide from the list. After you are connected, the camera will open and you are now ready.